Hello, my beautiful, pretty, lovely fart faces. Today I have an unboxing from Wizardi. This was sent to me to review on my channel and to share with you guys. So I did not buy these. These were sent to me. I was contacted by them. Before we open up this box, you know the drill. If you're new here, I'd love to have you as part of my hive. All you have to do is click that subscribe button over here where the stabby knife is pointing to, just that subscribe button, and join my hive. I'd love to have you. I post diamond painting videos on a almost daily basis. That's a lot of videos. Yeah. I need to get a life, maybe. No, I don't need a life. Anyways, if you're returning here, hello and welcome back. So let's get out our deli machete. Oh gosh. Okay, I did not open that correctly. Do not come at me for inappropriate knife handling. Where is the opening to this box? Okay, so there's no side opening. I was like, I'm gonna slash it, but there's no opening on the side, so be very careful not to cut my finger off. They sent me 2 kits. I got to choose from their website, and I asked them and confirmed that they do have licensed artwork. If you look in the categories on the left-hand side, you can actually see the artist names. So we have this one, and we have this bigger one. So let's open up. Okay, so let's open up this small one. These are the 2 I got. Let's open up this small one. This is Girl in Sunflowers, and it's from Wizardi, but the brand is Crafting Spark. Diamond painting kit, ignite the spark of creativity. Do it yourself. Crafting is what unites us. Everything's included. Here's some instructions on how to diamond paint. Just a little baby diamond painting. Pull out what we have here. Oh, look how it's packaged. So we have, look at that. It's in a nice big envelope, in a nice big Ziploc bag. We have our drills. Let's pull out this stuff first. So what's in here? What's going on in here? Ooh, look, our tweezers come packaged separately. Okay. Let's move this down a bit more. And then we have a brochure, instructions. Please note that your email should contain a few photos showing a mistake as well as the pack number that can be found on the lower right corner of the instruction. Okay, what? Please note that your email should contain a few photos showing a mistake as well as the pack number that can be found. What? What? Okay. The spark was put into this set by creator number 1. Here's the date. I don't know what date this is. I don't know what they're talking about for mistakes. Okay, well, there's just instructions on how to diamond paint. So we'll put those aside. I was kind of confused. Here is the basic toolkit. So you get a diamond painting pen, a plate of wax, and a green tray. And our drills come in this Ziploc, and they are within smaller Ziplocs. And this looks like it's a square diamond painting. Their drills look very... Okay, I need Jade. Jadekins, if you're watching this, are these resin drills? Are these resin drills? Okay, cat. My cat is going crazy. Are these resin drills, Jade? They look very nicely faceted. And here are, I believe these are the DMC numbers. So I'll put those back in here because I don't want to mess them up. That's neat how they come baggied. My cat is going a bit crazy and he's spying on me. I'm scared of him. And then your your canvas comes wrapped in elastics. And it looks like it is a double-sided adhesive canvas. So we're not going to roll it backwards, but we will let it breathe a little. Hopefully I don't get a lot of hair on it by doing this because I'm on the carpet. Don't touch the carpet. Okay, so let's pull it up a little bit so we can see the canvas. The drill field looks very clear. There's some trumpets I see. At the top we have Crafting Spark. There's their social media and there's their URL, but these are from Wizardi. So that's the drill field. Again, just a little baby canvas, 20 by 20 centimeters. I'm going to put this down. We can look on the other side now. Spark your creativity on the left-hand side. Ignite the spark of creativity, sorry. And then Crafting Spark logo. And the one thing that I don't like about this already is that the double-sided adhesive actually extends like really far up the canvas, off the canvas, or off the drill field. So you can see this border here at the top. It goes all the way to the very top of the canvas, which I don't like, but so you can use some washi tape to cover that up when you are diamond painting. And I'm bad at putting double-sided adhesive paper back on. So that's not bad. Okay. And then we have our schematic. So girl and sunflowers, the item number 20 by 20 centimeters. There's some anchors. There's a car. There's a cup. Some of these symbols are funny. There's a sound symbol. Take a look at this again. I think like the drill field, there's a little bear. Oh, that's so cute. So there's no special diamonds or drills, no special drills or ABs or anything like that. This is just a small kit. I do like it though. I like the size and I think the rendering for this size will turn out nicely. So that is girl in sunflowers. And now let's take a look at Flower Harmony, it's called. Flower Harmony. Harmony Flower. Crafting is what unites us. We are united as crafters, as diamond painters. So here's a thumbnail of the image. I'm excited to see this. So this is just like a bigger version of the small box that I showed you. On the end here we have Flower Harmony again. So if you, depending on how you store your diamond paintings, that could be useful to you. And now, oh my finger. I don't want to stuff my finger in there. That's what she said because, okay, let's open it on this side. Maybe this side is the way to go. Here are the drills. This is a square also. I didn't check if they were square around when I was ordering them. Literally, I just looked at the images. Here is the instruction sheet again. And it says that same thing. Please note that your email should contain a few photos showing a mistake as well as the pack number that can be found. Why are there all these mistakes? I don't understand. That's one thing. It's like, well, I don't think that I got a few photos showing a mistake. Like, I don't remember getting that email. So I'll have to ask them about that. The spark was put into the set by creator number 36, and there's the date. I don't know what date this is. I think this is the date that they packaged this. And here is our toolkit again. And you get tweezers. So this is helpful if you were just starting diamond painting and this happens to be your first diamond painting kit. These will be helpful to you. I wish that they would have came with a multi-placer, but that's okay because obviously I have a whole bunch. But if you're a new diamond painter, you'll want to check out you'll want to use a multi-placer. Well, I mean, you don't have to, but these drills are really nice. Let's take a look at a dark version to see if there's any. So this is 310, so we're going to look for any trash or tabs or anything like that. From the naked eye. My eye is naked. I'm wearing glasses, so maybe it's not naked. My cat is going crazy. I don't see any issues with these drills. Whoa, did you guys see that? I do see a couple tabs. But again, I won't know the quality of the drills until I actually place some. And this is my first order from Wizardi, so I will do the smaller diamond painting, at least recent, I'll do it sooner rather than later, and I'll come back with a post review for you guys. so that you can know if you should order from Wizardi or not, or if I recommend it. Just trying to shove these back into the bag. Oh my goodness. Okay, so those are the drills. And now let's take a look at the canvas. So it is double-sided adhesive again. There are these elastic bands. And now, because you shouldn't, well, you can, but you shouldn't roll your canvases the opposite way. A way to get your canvases to be, oh gosh, there's this wrinkle that, did you just see that start? Okay. So to get your canvases to lay straight, you will need to, oh my goodness, this is why I don't like double-sided adhesive. You will need to pull this up a little bit. I didn't do a very good job, but regardless, there's already some hair here, so don't do it on carpet. Here's the thumbnail. It measures 40 by 50. Here's the schematic. We have a thumbs up. Thumbs up this video. If you're watching it, give it a thumbs up. So there's the schematic. There's a cactus. There's a car. There's a flower. Their symbols are kind of silly, but I really like them. So I'm going to pull this down. If I try not to rip it again and get hair all over it. Okay. I'm not going to take this all the way off because I don't want to have to struggle to put it back on. I do see a river here, but that may have been created by me being an idiot. So let's take a look at the schematic, or not the schematic, the drill field. The drill field's very clear. I really like how this is printed, actually. So there's a lot, like you would think the background's going to be all one color, but it's literally two colors or two different symbols. There's a detail in her face. Yeah, I really like this diamond painting. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the floor to cover it back up. These are the two kits I received from Wizardi. What do you guys think from watching the unboxing? Let me know your thoughts on what you think of the kits. For me personally, I don't mind working on double-sided adhesive. Of course, I do prefer poured glue, but some people refuse to work on double-sided adhesive. And for me, it's not like a huge deal breaker or anything like that. I wish that on the website it would say double-sided adhesive. I can't remember if I've seen it written somewhere on the site or not, but it's good to know if before you order that Wizardi does do double-sided adhesive. And they did tell me they were licensed. Again, on the left-hand side, if you go under categories or through their filtering system, whatever it's called on the left-hand side, they do have artist names. And then you can filter by the artist name. And I like both kits that I chose. The renderings were really good. I really like the clear symbol fields. Again, with the squares, they look good in the bag. I like the facets on them, but we won't be 100% sure of how the drills will be until we put them down, or how the quality of the drills until we put them down. So I will make sure that I do this one, and I'll come back and make a post review video for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, thank you very much to the folks at Wizardi for sending me these. I really like the look of them, but if you're new here and you made it this far in the video, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis. All you have to do is click that red button that's somewhere around here. And if you click the bell, you'll get notified when I upload new videos. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, again, leave them down in the comments below. Which one is your favorite? I want to know. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. Bye.